if you share your Mac with someone else, maybe family, friends, or coworkers, it's a good idea to give everyone their own user account. So that way each person gets their own files, their own settings, and their space without messing anything on your profile. macOS actually makes it really easy to add new users, whether you want a full account or simple guest account or something with a limited access. So let me show you where you can find those settings and how to create new user in just few steps. So the first thing, we want to navigate to system settings. So you can open it from your dock over here, or if you click on this Apple icon, you can simply click on system settings as well over here. And here we want to simply search for the groups and users. So it's over here under Touch ID and password. And here you can see the main user, which is me. So this is basically the admin of this computer. And then you have guest user. So from here, if you click on this information icon, you can add new guest. And what you're going to do, you have a couple of options. So first thing, you want to allow guests to log in into this computer if you want to add guests. So I'm going to select this. You have to enter your password to unlock your computer. And then you want to make sure those two are selected. Then you can also select allow guests user to connect to shared folders. This is optional, and I will keep it on off. Then click on OK. And now you can see we have new guest. Now, for example, if you want to create a new admin or someone who requires a password when logging, you have to click on add a user. And here the first thing what you have to do, you want to select the new user like account type. So you can keep it on standard, you can do sharing only, or if you want to make administrator, you have to select administrator. So I'm going to select administrator. If I want to create administrator account, I can type name, then account name. So you can keep it as it is or you can change it. For example, I can type some numbers. Then you want to add password for the account. Then you want to verify it. And then you can also add a password hint if you want. Then you can simply click on create user. And now it should create a new admin user on our Mac. So as you can see, I have two users over here right now. Now, if you want to switch between those accounts, you can close this and you have to click on this Apple icon and you want to log out of your account. And then you will have option to sign in or log in with specific account. And this is it for this video. So this was how you can create user accounts on your Mac. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.